important day in this world. So I first invite the Chief Imam of the State House.
Any other government official here? Please, I extend my regards. It is a joy and a great honor to be with you again this year. We give thanks to Almighty God for sparing our lives and keeping us together to see another Ramadan, and a great Ramadan that coincides with that of the Christian faith. You know what it means. Discipline, sacrifice, faith, resilience, strong determination for us to continue to brace together, pray together, and love one another. I want to thank all of you for what you have been able to get achieved so far. I thank God for what we've been able to achieve together. I didn't expect this number to show up because some people are still buried in their various congresses and other local government or state level. I will advise those in the same party with me to please bear in mind that those little ones too, they do cry. Tolerate everybody, build the structure in this period of faith, unity, harmony, and sacrifice that you are pleading. Do it. And let the young ones breathe. I must refer to the generosity of Professor Zulum. I saw the layout of those Ramadan outreach, both for the Christian and Muslim. That is a very, very good spirit. I watched the story. You look more robust. I thought you would eat all the 300,000 shares of the place. To all of you, I'm very, very grateful because we've seen progress. We've seen commitment to duty. But please, I appeal again, let's go further to embrace the downtrodden, the young ones, and all the supporters, be all encompassing, and let's spread the development opportunity across to the grassroots. The local government and your efforts. I've seen a lot of progress being made in the states. I can't commend you enough. The result of hard work is more work, including my son, the farmer from Niger. There are a lot of complaints and commendations coming from all angles. They will come from this at me too. But as long as we brace together and we move together and determined to rescue this country, the best is yet to come to Nigeria. We're out of the wood. We are out of the dark tunnel of uncertainty. The economy is showing up. Let's help those unemployed. What I promise you is not to be postponed. We will establish state police to combat the insecurity. Start looking around you. Thank you very much.
Mr. President.
Sheikh Abdul Suleiman to lead us in Muslim prayer.